for the summer harvest, and to celebrate, my friends from the Ingles table and I are cooking up some amazing summertime favorites. We're so glad you're here. Enjoy.
In this episode, Michael McMurtrey makes a cold cucumber pineapple gazpacho.
Hi there, I am so excited to be here at the Ingles Table Summer Harvest. First thing we're gonna do on this warm day is make a cold gazpacho. So I've got a bunch of chopped up cucumber. I like it because the skins are very thin and that makes it a lot easier, less seeds. I've got some fresh pineapple from the Ingles Deli. You can get it already cored, it's much easier. I've got a nice Vidalia onion that I've chopped up, really in season right now. I've got 4 to 5 stalks of celery that I've chopped up, and then I've got about 16 ounces of corn. I use frozen corn because then you know you're gonna get some sweet corn. So that's how we're gonna start, and we're gonna stir that up. We're gonna add a few things to that. We're gonna add 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Put that in there. You've got another cup of a vinegar. You can use a balsamic or you can use a red wine vinegar. Put that in. And then we're gonna stir that around. All right, so let that sit over here to the side. And now we're gonna we're gonna get our blender and we're gonna mix a few things into our blender. So I've got some canned Italian sweet tomatoes. I take and I put the tomatoes in the blender. And if you notice, I'm just putting the tomatoes in. All right, so we're gonna keep this to the side. And then we're gonna add the juice of a lime. Put that in there. And then we're gonna add about a tablespoon of salt and some black pepper. I particularly like a lot of garlic, so 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. I put 4, that's in there. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna puree this with a couple cups of the vegetables that have been soaking. Now, I just noticed that I forgot to put in the jalapeno. I'm gonna put them in right now. I like my gazpacho to be pretty spicy. I'm now gonna take about 2 cups of this mixture, this vegetable mixture, and I'm gonna put that into the blender as well. So then we take it and we're gonna puree this. Okay, I started doing this a long time ago with gazpacho, and I think it adds a great flavor. This is just an Italian baguette. Break it up and put it in there. It adds something to the soup that I really like. So keep blending it. Okay, there. Now we have a smooth mixture, and I'm gonna add that to our chunky mixture, just like this. And we're gonna mix that all together. It's a fairly great recipe to mix and match with. This is a fun little presentation thing. I've taken a pineapple, cut it lengthwise, cored it out, and I'm just going to present it inside this pineapple. And you should serve this chilled. You can also finish it off with a little bit of the avocado on top, and it's really delicious. I can't wait to share this with everybody. Let's go see what Susie and Clark are up to.
I hope you've enjoyed your time with us today. We sure appreciate you stopping by. There's nothing that improves a wonderful meal more than a special feeling of sharing it with friends and family. Make sure and explore the rest of the site here at inglestable.com. Thanks again, y'all.